I bought myself one, yeah.
With what money?
Well, I bought this like a month ago.
Oh, okay.
Before we decided to take every day off.
Fucking month off. That was ridiculous.
Well, you know, Ozzy only worked one day this month besides today.
Who did?
Ozzy? Yeah, Augie.
I know an Augie too, though.
Well, if you didn't notice, there's two different ones, you know, because figured you can, the Hello Kitty would for you, and then the other one would resemble him. Because if you look, there was actually a little name thing on it, and it said M and M.
It said M&M.
Yeah.
Okay, well then you can. Why are you both videotaping me?
Just keep it that way.
You can have the other half. It's fine.
Okay.
The other half. You know the sad thing is that was like one strip. You just ripped it in half and
I
did
know.
twice as much work.
I'm realizing this now.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, you wrapped a Christmas present in duct tape.
Well, at least I didn't put oranges in it.
What?
There's a pear.
Sucker. Sucker.
Grapefruits. Or a cantaloupe. Randomly.
This is too much work.
Hey. I promise you it's worth it. Well, I can't promise that because then you're just going to say it wasn't worth it. Just to, so do I. Hey. No cheatsies, no cheatsies.
The point of the duct tape was unwrapping the duct tape.
There's actually nothing.
No, there's a note that says, sorry the world's supposed to end, so I didn't really get you anything. But I wrapped up this box really nicely.
When I was bored and I had extra duct tape.
I did. That's all the extra duct tape from that one.
The flowers?
Yeah. So, if you ever see Jackie, you can. She'll thank you for ruining any chance she gets of any more flowers.
Yeah, he made some pretty cool duct tape for us.
Oh, she found an opening.
Uh-oh.
Most
And she
mo-
kept the...
most women
What
do.
now, guys?
Oh no! She found an opening. Most women do. Wait a minute.
So, what do you think could be in there?
Satan.
Satan's sitting
No,
out here
Satan's
recording you.
makes it a lot easier.
Satan comes a lot easier.
Wanna make it in?
so does Jesus.
So does- I came together.
I found more Hello Kitty duct tape.
Yeah, I think that's a piece you missed there. To be quite honest.
Well, in that case.
Oh, look, but it's attached somehow. Oh wait, it's duct tape.
Alright, look at the duct tape.
Alright.
Okay, we have come across a purple box now.
Yes.
Hey, X marks the spot. We gotta be careful with that. I mean, how are you supposed to reuse the wrapping paper if you're just tearing it off?
We'll find a way.
I swear to God, next year if I get a gift and it's the exact same wrap. Like these motherfuckers, I knew they did it.
When's your birthday? It's probably October or something.
Who? Mine? April.
This isn't fragile, right?
If it was, you'd be fucked already right now. Ace Ventura already done fucked that shit up.
Looks like he could go all the way.
Jesus Christ!
Yes.
Did you really?
Tie wire.
Really?
The tie wire. Oh, a tie wire. Holy crap. Rusty tie wire, too.
You have too much time on your hands.
Where'd you get the tie wire? You just had some?
No, take a guess.
You just jacked a spool from work or what?
Yeah, I used it to make the flowers too.
Oh, nice.
This is the remnants of dead flowers. Better hurry up, you don't want to be late for the concert.
Hurry up, let it out, it needs to breathe. It's been in there all day.
I wrapped it a couple days ago. It might be a little angry.
It's a baby! Oh wait, no it's not. It's a dead
Dead baby, yay! Now all the dead baby jokes come out. What's the difference between a Ferrari and a pile of dead babies?
What?
A Ferrari and a pile of dead babies. I don't have a Ferrari in my garage. Look at that, she's getting closer. You know how many times I had to wash my hands after this? Just want you to know.
Good luck with that tie wire.
Did you happen to have any...
Find the ends. This is like some shit out of Saw right here.
I want to play a game. The game is, can you open the box? The name of the game is Monopoly. You have to go around the board. You have to go around the board buying properties. Yeah, we know how to play. You have 2 hours. No! Don't hurt yourself. I mean, you have a tetanus shot?
Well, at least he was nice enough to loop the end.
Yeah, I wasn't. I could have been a total dick and just tied in it.
That's what I thought it was. I thought it was twisted. I was like, you fucked.
Hey, there's still duct tape on that.
You should have at least weaved them in and out of each other.
I did a little bit.
Really?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with all this fucking tie wire?
Throw it at him.
There's a lot of tie wire there.
Yeah, it was most of a spool. Actually, no, I can't say it's most of a
She's
spool.
gonna throw it off the balcony in a second, holding one end.
Thinking about
It's
it.
not. It's gentle. I know there's issues with you and gentle, but shit, I'm trying to teach you a lesson.
There's the crisscross.
Get you all the way into it, and then
With all that slack.
you'll be happy to know this is the first thing I filmed on this phone.
She's on the other end instead.
Oh, she is smarter than she looks.
Ingenuity.
She caught that. Shh, damn. Look at that box. It's still unopened. I mean, I've been
We're
filming.
6.5 minutes into this video.
I'm 7 minutes, okay? You started a little late, sir. See, just like good photographers, we have to get it from different angles. Yes. The dance is always better when the stripper's crying.
I wised her up to that song, actually. Yeah. I was like, no, you really have to listen to the lyrics of this song. She's
Yeah.
just like, this is so sad. Well, I find it's quite a thrill when she grinds me against her will. Yes, a lap dance is always better if the stripper is crying. And I found out she was doing me to buy baby formula.
Look at that spark in her eye. She's like, I'm almost there.
There's gonna be more duct tape inside, isn't there?
Who knew missing children could be so sexy?
I want to be on beer bottles so my friends can actually know that I'm missing. All right. Now that we...
Crap. My room is full. Tie wire. Duct
Nice.
tape.
Totally. More fucking duct tape.
Damn, dude. Treasure trove in
Awesome.
this shit.
By the way, awesome. More fucking duct tape, though.
That is pretty awesome.
Right.
Looks like we have to buy this guy more stuff.
I know. Let's go buy him.
The guy behind the other camera?
When we get more money in about 2 weeks.
Yeah. Bro,
Well, welcome to the club, trust me.
Oh, this is
But I
awesome.
figured it would go along with your soon-to-be up-and-coming collection of Tarantino stuff.
Heck yeah. I was actually gonna say, let's go see the Django tonight. And then she's like, oh, we're going to a concert. Oh.
And I can't get. We don't have Jenga.
You don't?
What? How do you not have the black guy killing white people?
Because there's an AMC right down the road from us that has been getting all of the good movies.
This guy.
This guy.
This guy.
No, that's Family Guy.
Okay.
Something.
There's some Tarantino up in that bag right now.
Well, I figured she said
Now you
she's...
have to watch it.
Exactly, that's why I did it. I did it for that reason alone.
There's even popcorn.
Oh my
Just
god.
like go raid a movie theater. What is this?
Foreign Legacy. Is that gum?
No, it's mints.
Mint.
It's for after you siphon the gas.
My phone's going off.
It can wait.
Sounds like World of Warcraft.
You could have told me this one was his.
Well, I didn't. I think you'd figure it out by the pink duct tape.
Oh well, naturally.
A Cheetah's VIP card.
That's you. We're good.
We're ready to go.
Oh wait, there's more in here.
Oh, let's go to Cheetah's.
Hold on. And one more.
Oh,
I gotta go too.
Wow.
oh, these are neat. Dildo.
Dildo. It is a dildo.
No. See, I don't buy dildos. I buy vibrators because they're a lot more pleasurable.
Yeah, she's got a point.
And you could use vibrators on nipples and all kinds of things. Dildos are only two things. Well, you can do one other thing, but it's yeah, dildos are not as fun.
That would fucking hurt.
That's if the chick gets rowdy at the strip club. Bitch, I paid you money.
Bitch out.
Yeah, I paid you the money.
Ow.
I'm just gonna
Oh.
Now you have a message.
And if I would have told you the pink one was for him, would you have believed me?
Probably. Makes sense.
Just like he's the one who got me the dick.
That actually wasn't me though.
Well, I was gonna get you the dick, but she said it was inappropriate.
She said it was
So she
inappropriate.
bought candy instead.
People on YouTube are gonna be confused as all hell.
That's what I'm gonna do for 1 year. I'm just gonna get the like mold a cock for your own, like make your own vibrator and just give them to everybody.
Those are expensive, bro. Just to let you know.
Really?
Yeah,
Like $40? More?
at least half.
Damn. Never mind. Just use the same
I
mold.
saw it.
Just get a whole like tub of latex. Pour it in the mold over and over again.
I told you about that I got my mom that, right? The vibrator, the candy cane vibrator. Yeah.
That's why I actually believe that this is a vibrator.
You said it was a dildo. There was a difference.
Yeah, there's a difference.
What the fuck?
Chuck. What time do you actually get off?
4:45.
Okay.
Nick always lets us go early. He's just like, you know what?
Hey.
I gotta go back to the yard. Alright? So we're gonna leave before. Okay? My check should be there actually. I was like, fuck it. Get in the morning. Since we're gonna be there. Every fucking day.
I was supposed to do the safety meeting. Because remember that?
We were also supposed to have like 4 things we can do differently.
Oh shit! I forgot about that.
I remember that as we were walking away, I was just like, oh my god.
'Cause
I have one thing.
This does not look like a vibrator.
It's a vibrating t-shirt.
Oh, I love it. This is amazing.
What's it say?
What does it say?
No, it's cool. Jesus died for my sins.